Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a Pinterest business account. So creating a Pinterest business account can bring many advantages. First, it allows you to showcase your products or services in a visually appealing way, making it easier for potential customers to discover and engage with your brand. So the platform's image-centric nature helps businesses tell their story through pictures, attracting attention and increasing brand awareness. Additionally, a Pinterest business account provides access to valuable analytics, giving insights into user behavior and preferences. This information can be used to refine your marketing strategy and create content that resonates with your audience. Overall, a Pinterest business account can be a powerful tool for promoting your business, connecting with customers, and driving traffic to your website. So to create your account, what you want to do is come over here to pinterest.com, then come over here and click on business. So it's going to bring it to this page right here. The domain is business.pinterest.com, and right here you can sign up for a business account. So all you have to do is click on sign up, and on this page right here you want to add your email address. Then down here you want to create a strong password, so go ahead and do that. There's my password. Then I'll choose my date of birth. So the month is April. Then you can select your year right here. So I'll go with this right here, and the day right here, and I'll go ahead and click on create account. Then on this page where it says describe your business, all you have to do is select what your business is all about. So since I'm a content creator, I create content online, I'll go ahead and select content creator right here. Select that and click on next. Then up here, I'll go ahead and name my business or brand. I'll name this Teach Profit. Then the country, I'll just leave it on United States. And for a website, if you have a website, you can go ahead and add your website right here. But I do not have a website, so I'll go ahead and tick this box right here where it says I do not have a website. Then I'll click on next. And right here where it says what are your business goals, I'll select increase online sales, generate more leads, and drive traffic to your site. Then down here, what's the focus of your brand? So it's supposed to be digital marketing, so I do not see it right here. I'll just say other, and I'll click on done. Okay, so just like that, I'm done creating my account. So now what I need to do is set up my account. Now right here you have two options. You can share ideas, so you can create your content. You can start uploading videos, images, or anything. Just create your pin. Or you can set up your account right here where it says build your profile right here. So you can go ahead and click here, or you can come over here right here where it says your profile and click there. Okay, so right here we have a profile, so you can start setting up a profile. So first of all, I'll go ahead and add a background right here, so a cover photo for my Pinterest account. So what you want to do is come over here, click down the plus, and right here you can upload a cover photo from your computer. So once you find your image in your computer, so go ahead and click on the image, then click on open, and there's my image. I'll go ahead and add this as my cover image, so go ahead and click on done. Okay, so as you can see, there's my cover photo right here. Now what I need to do is add a profile photo and change my username down here. So to do that, you want to come over here on top, then click on settings. Then right here I can go ahead and set up my profile. So first of all, I'll go ahead and change my photo, so click on change, then choose photo. So here's the logo that I want to use right here, then click on open. Okay, so there's my logo right here. Then right here where it says name, I'll go ahead and change this. I'll change this to alright digital marketing, and I'll do this. I'll say online business right here. Then down here where it says tell your story, I'll go ahead and write a short description of what my brand is about. So I do have a description already. I'll go ahead and paste that in there. So it says unlock the secrets of successful digital marketing with our Pinterest account, where we curate a visually stunning collection of tips, trends, and strategies to elevate your online presence and boost your brand's success. So down here you can add your pronouns. Then right here you can add a website link. So I'll show you guys later on what link you need to add right here if you do not have a website. So if you already have a website, you can go ahead and add that in there. Then right here where it says username, we'll go ahead and add our username, which is Teach Profit right here. Then after that, I think that's pretty much it. The extra information down here is not really necessary, and I usually do not add the extra information right here. Unless, of course, you do have a physical address for your business, then you can go ahead and add that in there. But since I do not have that, I'll leave this blank. And after that, I'll go ahead and click on Save. Okay, right here it says Profile Saved. Then after saving, you want to come over here, your profile, then click there. Okay, so right here, you can see I'm done setting up my account. So I have the cover photo right here, the logo. Then I have some keywords related to what my account is all about, digital marketing and online business. So right here we have our description, which explains what the account has to offer. So just like that, we're done setting up our Pinterest business account. So now we can move on to the next step.